if you want to study English, you may think school will be the best place. But however, I could say this: school shouldn't be enough for you to find the best development for your own self. So you should equip your self-study. You know, you go to school, get back home, and try to activate your self-study. Yeah, I prefer the way you mentioned earlier as well. Just try to watch YouTube. This is like my past activity. I've been doing for years. You know, like the past activity, but also right now I do it every single day. You know, I listen to a lot of things. Hello, guys. Glad to be back. So, today we are going to have English conversation with my brother. We used to talk before together at
Yeah.
OUPP.
Yes.
Yeah, we were together, but today we would like to make English conversation, or we're going to have another English conversation about sharing English perspective. So he may have a few ideas and also interesting facts of learning English for himself. So that's why he is here today with me. We would like to share you with this idea. So I would like to say hello to my brother.
Yeah. Hello, brother Roti.
Yeah,
Glad to
sure.
be back again. So let me just introduce myself a little bit.
Yep.
My name is David, or you guys can call me David. So, um, right now I'm a third year student study at National University of Management. My major is management, like the way that currently I work as a English teacher. So it's okay.
You are English teacher.
Yeah.
So
Yes, like teach about the kindergarten or like primary student, like level one or level two.
yeah.
Yes, it's my passion to be like a teacher, sharing my knowledge to inspire all the student who started to learn English. Yes.
Right, guys. As you have heard recently, he is the English teacher, teacher of English, and he taught students level at basic level. So definitely, and we're going to hear more from his experience of learning English back there. But before we keep going, I would like to say a little bit about myself.
Yeah.
Short introduction as well. My name is Rati again. To all of you, if you haven't heard or haven't seen me before, definitely today you see.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, you guys can call me Rati. This is like official name ever, right? So yeah, so that's it from myself. So let's go to my brother. So this question I would like to know from your experience of learning English. So
Yeah.
can you share from the beginning of the day you began to learn English, and do you have any struggling of learning English, and just like today, what will change your mind? To learn English just 2024, right?
So before that, my experience of learning English is before that I learning English, I study English a lot, and I meet a lot of people who judge about my accent, right?
Yeah.
My accent, my appearance, or anything else. I try to speaking English outside, like speaking with my friend, but I didn't have my partner to speaking with. My friend said that he good at, but my friend he good at English, but he afraid to speak English with me. That he's not good at English, so how can I speak English with them? So that's why it is my problem to
Yeah.
study English. And after that, I found one solution to solve the problem. Is I found a guy in the internet. He's like a teacher already.
Oh,
He,
me.
yeah, yes. I found that he's encouraged me, inspired me to learning English, to speaking English regularly,
Yeah.
daily. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Sometimes it's hard for me to find a partner, but now it doesn't matter because I found here he's like a go teacher, and he posts like a video like about video teaching English, speaking English, and have some course to stick a student. So have also have the Telegram channel and met of like 5,000 people at there. Okay, so at the Telegram channel you can join to speak English with many friends who come to speak it, like a video chat or video channel. So that is my how can I solve it? Yes.
Thank you, Bob. Appreciate it. And since you have found me as the person is going to encourage you to learn English, right? So can you tell me what is the most challenging way to learn English? Because to learn English, people may believe there are many ways to learn English. Maybe they focus on speaking skill,
Yeah, yeah.
writing skill, like listening skill, and any particular skills would be involved in the English subject.
So the most important thing, the most important fact to learning English is like the way that I can share my few tip to all of you guys that watching video here.
Yeah, sure.
So the first thing is like you should speak English regularly. You can speak anywhere as much as you can, even though only 10 minutes or 30 minutes. Second is you need to learn a new vocabulary every day. If you want to be a good speaker, if you don't know many words, how can you speak with the people who speak English with you, right? Okay, you can. The third is you can watch a podcast that related to the English. You can watch the native speaker who good at communication, good about speaking, and their accent is about your passion that you want to be like him, right? So the fourth thing is like you can choose your friend or your relative who like want to speak English, want to improve or developing in English. Like you can talk to them every day or they can correct about your mistake. And people might know that making a mistake. So don't worry a mistake. The way you speak English, the way that you're getting better. Yes. And the last one is about the self-study. So may a lot of people who like study at the school, so they afraid that when they study at their own self,
Yeah.
they don't know how to study English. They may be, oh, today I gonna learn English, so tomorrow which I gonna learn? I learn speaking or I learn writing, right? That is the problem. So you need to solve the problem. That's problem. Or you need to find the people who go at English, or you can find internet like a effortless English T. English solution ability, you can go to check it and have many kind of video that you want to watch it. Yes.
Thank you. I appreciate it for your opinions and also the tips. You come explaining a lot to all of us right here on the camera.
Yeah.
We try to understand particularly about the English because people they got big trouble.
Yeah.
You know when they come to study English and they may think it's so hard to speak English out, right?
Yes,
It's so hard to speak English out, but you know like the first, I would say I do agree to your opinion like self-study.
Yeah.
This is very a big spot and also a big changing. Some reason. You know what? You are sent to school because you want to know more, you want to get qualification or any better development for the thing you want. If you want to study English, you may think school would be the best place. But however, I could say this. School shouldn't be enough for you to find the best development for your own self. So you should equip your self-study. You know, you go to school, get back home and try to activate your self-study. Yeah, I prefer the way you mentioned earlier as well. Just try to watch YouTube. This is like my past activity I've been doing for years. You know, like the past activity, but also right now I do it every single day. You know, I listen to a lot of things, and this is like how I believe becoming to be developing. You know, like gets to the great enhancement of practice of English oneself.
Yes.
But however, I just want to say this lately. You know, whenever you know yourself and whenever you can put yourself in your self practice, I think you will keep moving because you will go to school for a period of time.
Yes.
You won't be longer over there. Your study will be finished over there and then you will back home to be yourself. So that's why I said the only one is this: keep yourself, be longer with English. This is like how you really learn English, right?
Yeah.
So that's it, Bon. I appreciate about your experiences of learning English. So hard, I know this, but you try your best. So we are really coming to the next level altogether.
Yeah. Bro.
Thank you, everybody, watching this video shortly. So see you guys next time. Bye bye.